I would have thought I knew what the word cloud computing meant until I sat with Ann and a bunch of venture capitalists this morning who used the word completely differently than I would have used it. I think
that was the other venture capitalist.
That was another venture capitalist. Look, it is not all that complicated. There will be things, today you could say we have a form of cloud computing. We've had hosted servers now for a number of years. Why is hosted servers not called cloud computing, or has not historically been called cloud computing? Primarily because nobody went back and re-architected the underlying server software to design specifically for the kind of scaling, fault tolerance, geo-replication, security that you would want in an environment that's multi-tenant and shared. So when people talk about cloud computing, they're really talking about outside the firewall and software that's been specifically architected to be managed and propagated in a certain fashion. So do I think there's a relationship between the cloud and the data center? Absolutely. People don't want to rewrite applications depending upon where they happen to want to instance the software. So I think there is, and I would agree with Maritza on this notion of federation and kind of a certain level of symmetry and homogeneity between the two environments. But I think when people talk about cloud computing, they're talking just about taking some stuff, putting it outside the firewall, and perhaps putting it on servers that are also shared, or storage systems that are also shared perhaps with other companies that they know nothing about.